Today we're going to get a look at a Lucas Model 30 DCP-128. This machine was new back in 1981, and this is a large capacity 5-inch CNC horizontal boring mill with a 60 by 146 inch plain T-slotted table. This machine has 96 inches of vertical travel and 144 inches of cross travel. And we're going to demonstrate the machine operating. This machine is equipped with a DYNAPATH CNC control with graphics. That's fine there. As I had mentioned previously, this machine has 96 inches of vertical travel to headstock. This 60-inch by 146-inch plane table travels 144 inches. The machine has 72 inches of saddle travel. We're showing the machine traverse right now. There's an up-close shot of that right angle vertical head attachment that is included with this machine. Very nice accessory. Overall, this machine is in very nice condition. The way covers are heavy steel telescopic and in great condition. All of the air and electrical carriers are in good shape, and the ways are very nice. Please make an appointment to come inspect this machine under power. And as always, view our website at www.wigglesworth.com for new additions, featured machines. And have a great day.